In this fourth lecture of curve fitting, we are going to discuss or fit an exponential curve of the form y is equal to a e to the power bx. The method used here is the method of least square which we discussed in lecture 1. In lecture 1 only we discussed fitting of a straight line curve. Lecture 2 discusses fitting of a second degree parabola, and lecture 3 we discussed fitting of the curve of the form y is equal to a b to the power x. And now in this lecture we are going to discuss the fitting of curve y is equal to a e to the power bx using the method of least squares. Okay, the curve to be fitted is y is equal to a e to the power bx. We have to fit this curve. In order to fit this curve, we need the normal equation. And in order to get the normal equation, let us take log to the base 10 on both the sides of the equality. So on taking log, we have right. Now we'll replace this by y, this by, you may say, a constant capital A, and bn log e by a constant b. In this way, the equation reduces to y is equal to a plus bx. And we know the normal equations for the straight line, and the normal equations will be sigma capital Y na plus b sigma x. Similarly, x capital Y is equal to a sigma x plus b times sigma x square. Where obviously our capital Y is log to the base 10y, our capital A is log to the base 10a, and our capital B is, you can see here, small b log to the base 10e. Let us move to our question number 1. In this question, we have to find a relation of the form y is equal to a e to the power bx, and the data is given to be this. So the curve which is to be fitted is y is equal to a e to the power bx, and if you remember the normal equations which we had written is sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x, then sigma xy capital Y is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. And obviously we have to write the values of capital Y, which is log to the base 10y. Capital A is equal to log to the base 10a, and capital B is equal to log to the base 10e, and this is to be multiplied by small b also. Let us make the table as per the data given. So 1, 5, 7, 9 and 12, I am writing here 1, 5, 7, 9 and 12. Let us write the corresponding values of y, which is 10, 15, 12, 15 and 21. Now we have to find the value of capital Y, which is log to the base 10y. You may use a calculator. Remember, it is log to the base 10. And when we find the log, it is coming out to be and 1.3222. Okay, I had completed the value of x square. Nice. Now multiplication of small x and capital Y. Let us calculate this, multiply and calculate using your calculator. Since the table is completed, now I'll find the sigma values. So what is sigma x? It is coming out to be 34, which is needed for the question. We need capital Y, sigma capital Y, which is 5.753x. Now we need the value of sigma x square, which is coming out to be 300, and similarly the value of sigma small x capital Y, which is 40.8862. Okay, now put all the values in our normal equations which we had written right now. I'm putting the values. So sigma y, which is 5.7536, is equal to 5 times a plus 34b. Why it is 5? Because the value of n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now small x, sigma small x capital Y, which is 40.8862, is equal to 34a plus 300b. We have two unknowns and two equations. Let us solve this equation to find the value of the unknowns, that is capital A and capital B. On solving the equation, you will get the values of unknown as this. Okay. So if you remember, what is capital A? Capital A is log to the base 10a. So it is log to the base 10a. And if we want to find the value of a, we have to take the antilog of 0.9766, and when you find the antilog, it will coming out to be 9.4754. Okay, if you remember what is capital B, so capital B is small b log to the base 10e. So it is small b log to the base 10 e, right? We need the value of small b, which is equal to 0.02561 divided by log to the base 10e, and this will come out to be 0.059. Now we have to fit the data to which type of curve? Y is equal to a e to the power bx. So let us write the answer, and the answer is y, that is small y, is equal to 9.4754 e to the power 0.059x a e to the power bx. So this is the required curve. Y is equal to a e to the power bx, which we fitted to this given data.